How to create a line paper in Microsoft Word. I'm create this. Okay, alright. So at first go to your insert and showing it to table. To first column, select 1:6 to take this and go back to home section. Okay, and select all table, press on and remove to outside border. Okay, now make it this. If you want to increase space, select to increase space. As you can see, I can select 1.5. okay, and if you want to add more, drag your mouse here and press enter. Press enter. Drag your mouse in here, press enter. Okay, so that's it.